morning, guys. It's Big Laysi and Rain Marie, and I'm back at it again with another video. So let me break it down for y'all. We are going to New York tomorrow for about 4 days because I'm going to work with CBS Sports. One of their broadcasters has a school where she coaches and teaches young professionals and young people who have just graduated from college the ins and outs of the sports media broadcasting world. So I'm going to be going out there to sideline reports a AAU basketball tournament. If you guys didn't know, I got my bachelor's in communication. I got my master's in digital media management. Wow. Post athletic career, I wanted to be a sideline reporter, so that's exactly what I'm going to go do. Have a baby, so she's going to come with me. But today's video is going to be prep because I'm already a type A person. I really like to plan. I like to have a lot of things planned out. That just makes life easier, and I'm a critical overthinker. So I have to make sure that I have everything the way it's supposed to go in my head, or at least some way it's supposed to go, at least one or two, three different ways in my head, just so that I'm not caught off guard, because change is kind of hard, but I'm better with change and I feel like I'm prepared. So I have to prep me and the baby, have to pack her clothes, have to pack my clothes. Also today she turns 3 months old. Aww. So we have to take pictures for that. We also have to pack. We also have to do my lashes. I have to do my nails. I have to call coaches and do pre-tournament interviews and get information on the teams, the athletes, coaches. I have to do all of that. And because they're on the East Coast, there's a time difference. Single mom life, nothing stops. If I have to bring her along, then she coming with me. She gonna be able to see that her mom is still that girl, even though I had her. Period. This is gonna be her first time on the plane. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. Alright, y'all, so I got dressed, get my edges because we finna take pictures. I had to do a couple campaigns, and now we're about to get the baby dressed so we can take her photos for her 3-month photo shoot. There's TT holding the baby right now, and we're about to change her clothes and get her together. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I'm currently pumping. I'm pumping one side at a time because my other side needs to charge. Now, I'm about to pack for her and for me. We were able to get her 3-month-old photos for her little photo shoot. It's gonna be right here. I was able to post on Instagram. I also had to do a peanut butter campaign and shoot that. I shot it already. I just need to edit it and submit it so that I can post it when I get back from New York. And then I'm gonna do my nails and my lashes later on tonight. But the number one thing I need to do is pack. And then I also have another coach's call for an interview for the tournament coming up. I completed one, but I have another one, and I need to schedule the last one either tonight, tomorrow, or while I'm out there. So let's pack for the baby. But she don't love me, she's too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. Okay, guys, so I'm pretty much 100% packed. The only thing I need to grab is my computer when I'm done using it, pack my iPad, all of my chargers, and then grab the breast milk cooler, portable cooler, out of the fridge in the morning time. The baby is laying right there. She's big chilling. And so what I'm about to do is, so we originally packed everything inside of the carry-on bag, then we took it out because it's like everything's not gonna fit. So then we put it in the big suitcase, and I'm like, wait, a diaper bag is a medically necessary. What's the word? A diaper bag is a medically it's a medical necessity. Okay. Yeah. Not the baby laughing. Okay, her diaper bag is a medical necessity, so it's automatically going to be allowed on the plane with no charge. So I am going to take a carry-on bag, and I'm going to take my duffel bag, and I'm going to take her diaper bag and my purse. So I'm going to have 4 bags. So that's going to stop me from having to check the bag because, you know, we're going to have to change flights, and I don't want to have to risk losing anything because I need everything in there. So I'm about to take everything that's in the check bag and put it into the carry on and my duffel bag, and then I'm gonna do my nails, I'm gonna do my lashes, I'm gonna take a shower, and then me and the baby gonna try to go to sleep. Hopefully she goes to sleep because she wide awake right now. Got it.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Okay, y'all, so it's 1:05 a.m. We're gonna leave the house like around 5, so have about 4 hours. She's up and she's sleepy, so we're about to bathe her and put her to sleep. Then I'm gonna do my nails and my lashes, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So let's bathe the baby.
They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my.
Okay, so now that the baby is washed and she's clean, she's laying back there looking at me. She's a very independent, nice little chill baby, so she's good. I'm about to do my nails with these little press-on Gel X nails. I'm gonna hurry up, but I'm going to do my nails in the color blue, like this, and then let's go. Okay, so I have the nails on. I just put on the builder gel on this hand. I just took it out of the lamp, and so you guys can see it's ready to get the top coat. And then this hand, I have to put the builder gel on. She's currently asleep, and I have to put her in the carrier because she's a mama's girl. But now I'm about to put the top coat on, and then I can do this hand. Okay, so this is the final result. blue French tip nails. They are cured. Everything is set, top coat on. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this hand, and then I'm gonna do my lashes. Okay, so both of my hands are done, completely cured. Everything is good. I'm about to put up the nail stuff and try to swallow her. So let's do that.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something.
Okay, so the baby is asleep and I'm about to do my lashes.
Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it.
Okay guys, so I did my lashes, I did my nails, I packed, I did everything I said I was going to do today. So go me. I am about to take a shower. It's currently like 2:45 in the morning. Take a shower and try to lay down and go to sleep, and then wake up like around 4:30, 4:45ish to get ready to leave for 5 to make it to the airport for 5:30, to board the plane at 6:30, and to leave at 7, and then we'll be on our way to New York. Yeah, let me take a shower and go to sleep. Okay, so I'm out the shower and I am about to get in the bed. You guys already know. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, give me 1 second. Big Laysi out.